Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is problem number 1 from exercise 14.4. Problem is like this. The following distribution gives the daily income of 50 workers of a factory. So you are given with the data. Convert the distribution above to a less than type ogive or cumulative frequency distribution and draw the ogive, right? So for that, first you have to write the cumulative frequency here. So write it down. 12 and then 14 plus 12 26 plus 8 34 plus 6 40 and 10 50. So less than type ogive, less than type cumulative frequency they are asking. So if you convert this, so the data will be daily income 100 to 120 means it will be less than 120. Next 120 to 140. So this 26 belongs to the cumulative frequency that are less than 140. So less than 140 income getting 26 employees, right? Next 140 to 160, that you can write it as less than 160, less than 180, less than 200, right? So for this less than values, this is the corresponding cumulative frequency. So the ogive can be drawn here taking the points as 120, 12, 140, 26, the less than value and the corresponding cumulative frequency value 160, 34. Next is 180, 40 and 200, 50. So let us mark them on the graph. So I am taking x-axis as daily income and y-axis number of workers. So it started from 120, 40, 60, 80 and 200. So take it 120, right? 120 and 12 here. 140 and 26. 160 and 34. 180, 40 and 200, 50. So join them with a freehand curve. So this gives the less than ogive. Problem number 2 from exercise 14.4 is like this. During the medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. The question is, draw the less than type ogive, get the median from the graph and as well as find it out from using the formula method and verify your result. So the graph here, the data you are given with is with less than 38, less than data they have given, right? So for this less than data, always the given frequency is a cumulative frequency. So directly we can draw the ogive from the given data, that is 38, 0, 40, 3, 42, 5, 44, 9, like that. I have already marked all the points here, taking weight on x-axis and number of students on the y-axis. So the corresponding points I have marked here and joined with the freehand scale. So now you have to find out the median. First, let us calculate to find out the median. We need the frequency and class interval. This less than type data will not work for us, right? So for that, let us write down the class interval. So the class interval will be here. Less than 38 means what? For the first one, you can write less than 38 and the corresponding frequency is 0. Cumulative frequency is 0. So this is class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. The next one will be what? 38 to 40. So how to calculate? 3 minus 0, right? So 3. Next is 40 to 42. That will be 5 minus 3, 2. Cumulative frequency is nothing but what they have given here from this table. Directly we can write it out. So 42 to 46, it will be 5, right? 42 to 40, 42 to 44, right? 42 to 44 is less than 44. So 9 minus 5, that you can write it as 4. Next is 44 to 46. So 5. Next will be how much? 46 to 48. that will come to 14, right? Next is 48 to 50, it will be 4 here, and 50 to 52, and write it as 3. See here the cumulative frequency I am writing. After 5 you have 9, and then 14, 28, 32 and 35, right? So 3 minus 0, 3 I am writing, 5 minus 3, 2 I am writing, 9 minus 5, 4 I am writing, 14 minus 9, 5, right? 28 minus 14, 14, 32 minus 28, 4, 35 minus 32, 5. So like this I am writing down my frequency. Now we need to find out the median. So median is given by L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into height of the median class. For that, first we need to calculate what is the median class. So n by 2, take n by 2. So you are already given with 35 students. So 35 by 2, 17.5. So you have to select the frequency, cumulative frequency that is just above 17.5. So here it is nothing but 28. So the corresponding class is the median class. So 46 to 48 is the median class, and this is your frequency F, and the cumulative frequency is again the cumulative frequency of the class just above the median class. So height will be 48 minus 46, 2. Lower limit is 46. So substitute 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus cumulative frequency here is 14 divided by again frequency is 14 multiplied by 2. So if we solve this, we will get it around 46.5. Now calculate the median from the augur. So your n by 2 is 17.5. So mark here, this is 17.5. So the frequency that is corresponding to 17.5 will be your median. So that will be drawing here. You will get it here. So which is nothing but 46.5. So again from the graph also we are getting the median value is 46.5. The last question in this exercise is, the following table gives the production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. So you're given with data, change the distribution to a more than type distribution and draw its augur. So more than type distribution means here I'll write it, I'll write down the table, production and number of farms, that is nothing but your frequency here, and then we'll write the cumulative frequency also. So as they are asking you to write down the more than type augur, here take it down like greater than. So it will be like greater than, here you have 50 to 55. So take it as greater than 50. Next is greater than 55. So greater than 60, greater than 65, right? So greater than 70 and greater than 75. So like that I am taking. Next, so here I will write down the given frequency 2, 8, 12, 24, 38 and 16, right? So the corresponding cumulative frequency as they are asking here, see here, greater than 50 means totally you have how much? N is equal to 100, right? So this 100 is greater than 50 only, right? Everything is greater than 50 only, 100 only, right? So that I'm greater than 50, you have total cumulative frequency will come as 100. So 100 minus 2, that will come to 98. So as you have 50 to 55, you have 2. So that 2 I am subtracting, so that above 55, I will get 100 minus 2, that is 98. So 98 minus 8, 90. Minus 12, I will get it as 78. Then 78 minus 24, 54. Next you will get the corresponding cumulative frequency. Here I am writing it as 54 minus 38, that will come to 16, right? So now we have to draw the ogive here. So the corresponding points here are 50, 100, the frequency, greater than frequency, and the corresponding cumulative frequency. 55, 98, then 60, 90, 65, 78, 70, 54, 75, 16 here. Okay. So drawing the graph here, taking x-axis as production and y-axis as number of forms here. See, 50, 100, 55, 98, 60, 90, 65, 78, 70, 54, 75, 16. Join all the points to get your more than ogive here. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.